Supply chain management, basic steps of supply chain management. Supply chain management is the handling of the entire manufacturing circulation of a great or solution to optimize top quality, distribution, consumer experience, and profitability. Stage 1. Strategy preparation involves a wide variety of activities. Firms have to first choose their procedures strategy. Whether to make an item or part or buy it from a vendor is a major choice. Stage 5. Return is associated with managing all returns of defective items, including identifying the product condition, licensing returns, scheduling product shipments, changing defective products, and providing reimbursements. Stage 2. Resource. This aspect of supply chain management includes organizing the procurement of basic materials and also components. Stage 3. Make. These stages are worried about scheduling of manufacturing tasks, testing of items, packing, and also release. Companies need to also handle regulations for efficiency, information that needs to be kept, facilities, and regulatory compliance. Stage 4. Supply. The shipment phase encompasses all the actions from processing client queries to selecting distribution methods and transport alternatives. Firms need to also manage warehousing as well as inventory or pay for a service provider to take care of these tasks for them. About Supply Chain Management Certificate. Supply Chain Management Certificate is one of the most demanded certification courses in UAE at the moment. CLSCMP course provides basic and advanced skills about cargo, logistics and supply chain, purchasing, procurement, inventory, material, transportation, shipping, import and export, letter of credit, LC, documentation, ISM, APICS, etc. The Logistics and Supply Chain Management training course covers the core ideas of supply chain monitoring. The program is meant for those specialists desiring to construct a job in supply chain administration. Significance of Supply Chain Management Certification in 2021. Supply Chain Certificate teaches between industry to the customer, purchasing, suppliers, and other partners. Supply chain is an important element of supply chain administration. Companies see logistics as a vital blueprint of the supply chain. It is used to handle, work with and also keep an eye on resources needed to move products in a smooth, timely, cost-effective, and also dependable manner. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking supply chain management certificate in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best logistic and supply chain management exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Supply chain management exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for logistic and supply chain management training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4397 4905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/